In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add large videos to your Shopify store using embeds and apps. If your video is too large for a direct upload, there are two simple approaches that keep your pages fast and your visuals looking great. First, let's talk about using an alternative hosting platform. This means you upload your video to a service that can stream it efficiently and give you an embed code. Platforms like Vimeo work well because they provide responsive players and easy controls. After uploading, look for the share or embed option on that platform and copy the embed code. This little snippet is what you'll paste into Shopify. If you want the video on a product page, open your Shopify admin, go to Products, select the product, and click Add Media. Choose the option to add a video link from a supported platform, then paste in your link. Shopify will handle the player for you, and this keeps your product pages clean and fast. If you prefer a custom section, head to Online Store, then Themes. Click Actions and choose Edit Code. Under the Sections folder, add a new section and give it a clear name, like Homepage Video. Open the new file and paste your embed code in place of any placeholder content. Save your changes, then go back to your theme customizer to add that section wherever you want it to appear. This gives you more design flexibility and keeps the video reusable across pages. A few quick tips here. Adjust your hosting platform's privacy or playback settings as needed. Check the captions or subtitles are enabled if you use them, and always preview on mobile to confirm the player scales properly. Now, if you don't want to touch any code, using a Shopify app is a great option. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for a video integration app. Install the app, then follow its specific instructions to add a video section to your theme. Most apps provide a drag-and-drop section, options for autoplay or looping, and easy controls for sizing and layout. After you've customized the look and behavior to match your brand, publish your changes so they go live on your store. Whichever method you choose, remember to keep page speed in mind. Hosting externally and using embeds helps reduce load times, and testing on different devices ensures a smooth experience for your customers. Save, preview, and you're done. You now have a reliable way to showcase large videos on Shopify without running into upload limits.